Hihi nĩ Murimu wa Autism nĩ mũrimũ ũrĩa ũtũmaga mũndũ akorwo na wathe wa kwaria. Ũthuthuria ũrĩa wĩkĩtwo nĩ rũhonge rwa ugima wa mwiri thĩ ng'ima rwa WHO ruonanĩtie atĩ ciana 36 arĩa maciaragwo hatiagaga mwana ũmwe ũrĩ na mũrimũ ũyũ. Rũhonge rwa Autism Rights rũrĩa rũtigagĩrĩra atĩ ciana iria ciĩna mũrimũ ũyũ nĩ ciamũkĩra ũrigitani mwega ũndũ ũmwe na gĩthomo kĩega nĩ rwambĩrĩirie guthomithia andu mathomo makinyanĩru kũrĩ arimũ ũndũ ũmwe na aciari arĩa marĩ na ciana ciĩna mũrimũ ũyũ mwena wa Tanzania nyũmba-inĩ ya mĩcemanio ya Julius Nyerere kũrĩa mabũrũri matiganĩte manyitanĩire hamwe na guthomithia mũingĩ ũhoro wa mũrimũ ũyũ.
Be here in Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, and first of all, I would like to thank the Autism Light for the sponsoring us to be to this place. We are very thankful and we are much educated on autism. We are very happy for attending this conference. We have learned much about autism and we are not going to be the same again. Even on handling our children, those with autism, accepting them and even handling them better. And we hope even to advocate more and to soldier on even as we fight for the rights of those children.
Kũringana na Chege wa Marato ũrĩa ũhĩgĩrĩire ũhoro-inĩ wĩgiĩ autism ugĩte atĩ aciari nĩ mageragĩra maũritũ maingĩ rĩrĩa marageria kũrera ciana ici kũrĩa ũrĩte thirikari ya bũrũri wa Kenya kũiga kĩheri kĩgĩna gĩtiganĩte kĩrĩa kĩrĩteithagĩrĩria ciana ici iria cihana ta ciriganĩire gwa kahinda karaya.
I was talking about the policies and the autism bill in our country Kenya, mahali ambapo tumeweza kupitisha hizo sheria za autism. Mahali serikali tunasema itakuwa compulsory for the government and we are just compelling them, we are persuading them, and itakuwa compulsory that our children affected with autism get accessible, affordable and effective education. For this matter, affordable, we are saying the children with autism, because they've been discriminated, they must be given free, like any other school, any other child that goes to school in primary school for free, so that kama wa Kenya tena tusikue tume discriminate watoto wetu na hao watoto ndio wa viongozi wa kesho.
Niguo wa Marato aratarĩria ũhoro wĩgiĩ mũndũ wĩna mũrimũ wa autism akĩheana mũhano na Bill Gates na Elon Musk.
It is very important to give autistic children the same right. The other one, hawezi kujitetea, they cannot defend themselves, they cannot fight for themselves. We as parents, we as a nation, we are the one to make sure. A country is measured by how they protect and deal with the needy people. More so, autistic children need more help than any other person in this world, because there is an opportunity for them to become great. There is an opportunity for them to become wealthy, creative and change the world. And we have seen in many other countries that most of the rich people in the world, they are autistic. We know all of them. So it is very crucial and important that we give them free, effective, accessible education.
Mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa rũhonge rwa autism bũrũri-inĩ wa Tanzania Dr. Stella nĩikĩtierĩte na kũrĩ thirikari akĩenda single parents arĩa mareraga ciana ciao marĩ aika magateithagĩrĩrio kũrera ciana ici nĩgetha magatiga gũthutũkanio ũndũ ũrĩa wĩhĩrĩire makĩria gĩtarũ-inĩ kĩa Afrika.
Lucky to have this opportunity to have this conference here, and we have learned a lot, and one of the lessons we have learned today is about supporting parents and especially single parents with children with autism. And when we were having this discussion, we came to realize that it's not necessarily a single parent with a child with autism, but also all the parents, because they are all going through the same challenges. As a former chairperson of the National Association for People with Autism Tanzania, I was contacting these parents with different challenges. Some parents, they are still in marriage, but they are single because their partners are not supporting the condition of their children having autism.
Mĩario ya Stella nĩnyitĩtwo mbaru nĩ Judge George Gaoma wa bũrũri wa Zambia na Engineer Shagwe makiuga ihinda nĩ ikinyĩte andũ matige gũthitũkania aciari hamwe na ciana ciao kuona mũrimũ wa autism no ũnyite mũndũ wothe.
Very pleasure today to present the topic of how autism affects families and careers of people globally, as we know that myself, I'm a mother, and I know that most of parents, they've been through a lot, and they have been affected in one way or another financially, and specifically in our country, Tanzania, people, they relate this challenge with witchcraft beliefs, so a lot of stigmas around there and isolation. But we thank God with this awareness internationally, we will make sure that changes happen in one way or another. So we thank you so much for all who made this event happen.
Aciari aria mena ciana ciena murimu uyu ni moretio metekire ciana ciao na macende makiria na magacirekaga cithie cigathake na magatigirira irio iria mararia ni cikinyanire na magatiga gucihe irio iria cina cukari mwingi na ngano kuona ni cigiragia meciria mao makure wega.
That you are special, you are capable of taking care of this. So I usually tell the parents with children with autism that we are special because God looked at this world and see, you know what, nobody can take care of these children except you, so you are special. So embrace that, think and accept that you are special to take care of this child with support. And for both parents, you need to support each other because having a child with autism is not easy.
Riu ruhonge rwa Autism Rights ni morete thirikari nene na thirikari cia county matigirire ni marora ciana ici wega oro umwe na kumakira thukuru iria marithomagira ota ciana iria ingi.
Easy to remove stigma, it is a process. So as long as we are starting, we will make change. And today, I know that a lot of people have been coming here. Most of them who didn't know about autism, today they are aware of the challenge.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, niĩ njĩtagwo Ng'endo wa Njogu.